Hello folks, today I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Enact Systems solar design tool and a proposal tool. So here you go. I have a project here which has all the basic information of the customer already filled in, the company name, name of the customer, address, phone and email, and also the billing information including the utility provider, the current electric rate, and the bill information for the year, as well as the rate on which at which the bill is calculated, so you can see the consumption profile of this customer and how much they are paying today. Once you have that, you can create a new quote. So you hit the button create quote and it brings up the design tool. So the design tool loads the image, the Google Map image of the property. You can zoom in and look at the roof. So I am now going to select the settings for my panel array, including the panel orientation, panel tilt, row spacing. I'll select a manufacturer and model and then start drawing my PV array. I'm just going to click around the perimeter of the roof here in order to design the array. As I click the corners, I can see the length of each side here, and that's convenient because it gives me an idea of the size of the roof. Once I have marked the outline, it fills the roof with the panels. I can see it's 331 panels, and I can further customize the design. Say I want to add a setback, I can do that, and this will adjust the design accordingly. I can zoom in further and see if there are any obstructions. I can mark those. So for that, I'm going to go here and draw the keep outs for areas that cannot have panels. I'm marking this area here, and as I do that, the panels in that area are deleted. I can also do a quick shadow analysis of this obstruction by marking its height, and then it shows me the shadow projection for this, that I am going to delete now the panels that are shaded. This gives me a pretty good design. I can now zoom out and take a capture for my proposal. Once I finish taking a picture of my design, I can go ahead and add the inverter and then any additional choices including racking, and then after that calculate system results. So I'm adding the inverter, selecting the inverter model and make, and also the quantity based on the size of the system. So I think I'm going to need 6 of these, and so after that I'm going to select my post PV rate, making sure that I have net metering on, and so I can select my post PV rate and also any other customizations I want to do, and then hit system results. This calculates the generation from this system for the entire year and my pre and the post solar bill, and it gives me the total offset I'm getting, which is 76% on my utility bill. Next, I'm going to go to the finance page, which is linked to the design. So it brings up the pricing and the financing options for this system. So I can select the items on my price list, making sure the price is right. And I can also select financing options, maybe a loan and a PPA option, and compare them side by side. And then I can quickly select my proposal template that I want to use to create my proposal document for the customer. So once I download the proposal, it takes all the data from the design that I just created and inserts that into the proposal template, which can, by the way, be rebranded for any company and can be completely redesigned um, based on your needs. So as the proposal template downloads, you can see an example of a template that can be loaded into the system and can then be used to insert all the design data, the proposed design, the estimates of the bill before and after, as well as the detailed cash flows for the financing options. So this is just an example, of course, and it can be customized for your needs. So this is a quick demo of the design and proposal tool. If you want to learn more, contact us at www.enact-systems.com, and would love to hear from you. Bye now. Thank you.